Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. It's going to be a good show today, boy. We got a good one right here. EZGO TXT. Ignore the body, man. It's a TXT 36 volts. All right, they just upgraded the body on it, and you can tell 36 volt by 3 holes in the batteries. You got 2, 4, 6, standard controller, full reverse board. Now, this right here, do not do, because if it's bolted like this, see it ain't bolted down, it will get hot and shut down. But here, the problem is it runs reverse, not forward. In forward, it does nothing, kind of shakes a little bit. So you right there, you would think, well, it has battery voltage because it runs. In reverse, there's something else wrong. Maybe controller. No, it can't be the controller because on the series style cart, the controller only gives power out to the motor. The forward and reverse board is what changes direction. On the newer style carts, the controller changes directions by the F&R switch. But on the older style like this, it don't change direction by the controller. All right, so first thing we're going to do is, on my page, you've always learned, check battery voltage. Because 99% of the time, when you take battery, when a car is shaking, it's going to be battery voltage. Now, if it shakes in forward and reverse, it could be batteries or it could be a motor. All right, so what we're going to do, let's put this bad boy on volts DC, which is V with a straight line. All right, if you got the fluke meter and you put it on volts, and you can see it's got the AC or DC, straight lines DC, and the wavy lines AC voltage. So what I'm gonna do is hook my red lead to my main positive, which is right here, main negative here. Now right there, that already tells you battery voltage is low. But the customer is like, no, it runs, so it's not battery voltage. Well, the way it works, in reverse, this car right here, the series cart, has a orange wire for the micro switch. What it does, it cuts voltage down half speed. So in reverse, you're only running off 18 volts instead of 36. So if you wanted to, the drawback to this is, if you unplug this and let it hang like that, in reverse, your car will run as fast as it does in forward. If you can't drive in reverse fast, then I advise you not to do it. If you can drive fast and you feel like everything's safe around you, unplug it if you want to go fast backwards. So what I'm going to do is leave it there. I'm going to show you all that. Now I'm going to hit the gas. And we're going to see exactly how low voltage drops. Because 27 is low. All right, let's see, hit the gas. I'm in the reverse position. And you can, if you look at it, you would think, see that? You think the car runs. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna unplug this wire here, and let's see what it does in reverse now. It still runs. So that right there, you would automatically assume that battery voltage is good. That's why you don't assume. You always go by what the meter tells you. So I'm forward, I'm gonna hit gas, and the car's running and it's moving. It's just low voltage, but it's shaking. So we're gonna test each battery, see if the whole pack's bad or if it's one battery. One battery there, you got 6 volts. Put it in reverse, hit the gas. It's 5.7. Now, just testing that one battery, that told me 2 things. One, that I have a bad battery somewhere in the pack. 2 things, that the second thing is that it's not because the customer didn't charge it. If it was because the customer didn't charge it or because you didn't charge it, you would have voltage here would be 3 volts, 4 volts, and then you would keep checking. But if you had this battery reading 4 volts and then all of them reading 4 volts, that tells you that it's not being charged. All right, now let's see what we got on the rest of the batteries. So I'm gonna take my red lead and my black lead, move them over to each battery. So I'm gonna positive and negative, hit the gas. 5.7, all right, so that's good. So we got one bad battery or maybe more. We'll keep moving it. There we go, look at that. Now, let me tell you this here, and I'm gonna tell you this for you next time you work on a car, if your car gives you a problem. This battery's bad. But what's one thing that I recognize? This is my battery that my headlights are tied into, all right? So it tells me that either this is bad or this one's going to read dead and somebody left the lights on. So we're gonna put the negative here. We're gonna see which one it is. Battery's bad or somebody left the lights on. And you can see right there, bam. What that tells me that somebody has left the lights on and killed them 2 batteries. That's why you always do a converter to draw off your whole pack. We'll hit that gas there. It's gonna be good. Yeah, then we're gonna go here and it's gonna be good. Yep, all right, so the problem there is I need to charge these batteries back up together. I have a 12-volt car charger or a golf cart gas charger. We're gonna charge these back up and bring them back up to where they need to be at. That's why you go with a DC converter. If you have lights that's tied into individual batteries and you use your lights or your radio, get your converter. I'm going to tag a converter onto this video if you need to get one. If you have any accessory and you use that accessory a lot, 9 to 12 months, them 2 batteries will be dead. I don't care what nobody tells you, all right? Because if you think about it, you run your lights a day for an hour because you drive at nighttime or you're driving around in the woods. These 2 batteries going to show 6. These are going to show 5.92, all right? Well, next month, these are going to show 6. These are going to show 5.7, 5.8. And after about 9 months, you'll get a volt difference between these, and therefore your car won't run because it won't allow it to charge all the way up. All right, man, I just want to show y'all that, man. Teach everybody a little something. Hope y'all learn, man. If you like my channel, hit that like button. If you want to, hit the subscribe. Main thing is watch another video. Comment below if you like my channel. I appreciate all y'all, man. Never thought my channel would do anything, but here we are. Let's make the best of it. Y'all stay tuned, man. Always remember, hey, hey, hey.